Hey guys, it's Shelly. Welcome to my channel. I usually do all kinds of products unboxing and review. So in case you are new to my channel, please do subscribe. So in case you guys are planning to buy this gift set for yourself or to gift anyone, then definitely this review will help you. So this is the gift set. I have ordered this one from Estee Lauder site, but I think you can find it everywhere like Macy's, not from everywhere it's available. So this is the recent gift set that Estee Lauder has. So this is, I have ordered 3 sets. When you buy more than $45, then you are qualified for this gift set. I usually buy this gift set every year. So this gift set is for this 2021, and these two are also 2021. So this one is $75, but it's worth it. And this one is also a gift set. I ordered this one from Estee Lauder side. I think this one is $39, and this one I think $17 or something like that. This one has this. I need this creams, that's why I ordered this, because individually if you order this gift day cream or night cream, then it's cost more. That's why I prefer to buy this gift set, so it should cost me less. The whole gift set is $39, but if I buy individually, I think it costs me more. This is other creams are like really good. I really like their creams. This is the day cream. Yeah, SPF 15, and this is also the night cream. Yeah, this is if you buy individually, it will cost more, so I choose to buy this gift set. And this is one of my favorite serum. This is the advanced night repair serum, but it is the smaller one. Small travel size essence. This is the micro like travel size essence, small size. This is the eye cream, but it's really worth for $39. You can get all this, so you can try this one. And this is the another repair and renew. I can show you. It is the foaming micro cleansing foam face cleaner, cleansing foam. This is small size. And one travel size night cream and advanced night repair serum. Both are really good. I use both them and I really like them, so I don't have any problem. But if you are not using this, I don't think it's any worth to buy this gift set. But if you are using the Estee Lauder skincare, then definitely it's worth to go for this gift set. So let's open the bigger one. This is the gift set. Every year I buy this gift set, and I really like the gift set. This is previous one. I think previous one was the velvet one, and this one is the fabric one, but it looks really nice. You can see. So if you don't like this revitalizing supreme, they have different one also. You can choose that one. They have 2 different options, but I choose this one. But everything is same, but this one you can choose the different one. You can see this is this cream individually if you buy, it's really expensive. So I would suggest, if you are looking for this cream individually, then you can choose this gift set. It's really good. And this one I am using, and this is the eye cream. This one is also really good. This is the eye cream. And this is also full size, the advanced night repair serum. This is really good. If you're using this serum, this is really good. And this is advanced night repair eye cream. if you buy individually, it will cost you more. So I would suggest, if you are using this skincare, definitely choose the gift set, so that it will be cheaper for you. This is the travel size, and this is the lipstick. One is Excite, the red one. The red one, and Tiger Eye, I think, yeah. The metallic one. This is the Tiger one. This is the eyeshadow palette. Pretty good colors. Yeah. Yes, we have a little bit different. You can see. Yeah. Yeah, well, these are like really good colors. I don't think I like their eyeshadow palettes. So this is also full size makeup remover. I'm not using the makeup remover. I don't use this makeup remover, but you can get a full size makeup remover. And the mascara is also full size. This is a pretty good mascara. I have used this one. This is good. But mostly I choose this gift set because of the skincare product, because I like the skin cream and the serum, which is really good. The serum and this face cream. So which is like worth. If you buy individually, it will cost you more. So it's really worth to buy gift set with $75. So I would suggest you, if you are looking for this skincare, Estee Lauder skincare product, definitely go for the gift set. This you will save some money. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.